Hello, and welcome. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the world of online earnings. In this age of digital connectivity, the internet has opened up an incredible array of opportunities for individuals to make money from the comfort of their own homes or anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, a full-time career change, or just some extra cash, I've got you covered. We'll explore a range of online earning opportunities, so stick around. Number 1. Pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr and Freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs, such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry and being a virtual assistant. A recent report from Freelancer.com found that creative writing jobs had the fastest growth in listings on its site in the second quarter of 2023, up 58%. And although generative artificial intelligence, AI, is being used more for content creation, it can't fully do the work of human writers. Some freelancers are charging $100 an hour or more for their freelance writing services. Number 2. Test websites and apps. Another way to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well, or not so well, certain websites and apps work. You'll have to complete a short test to be accepted, then you'll be paid depending on the test type. Learn to use AI tools. The use of generative artificial intelligence is on the rise. A recent report from PwC estimates that the North American economy will see a $3.7 trillion impact by 2030, thanks to the AI market. So there's no better time to learn how to make money by using AI tools. Some AI-related side hustles include integrating AI tools as a freelancer, to help you create digital products or to edit AI content for a client. Improving your advertising, marketing efforts and management of your existing small business. Teaching others to use AI tools. Number 4. Take surveys for money. You can make money from home by taking online surveys, but don't expect to earn a lot. Survey sites don't typically offer a big payoff, and many sites are more useful for earning gift cards than cash. Some of the more popular survey sites include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Number 5. Make money from your blog with affiliate links. If you're a blogger who gets decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliates, that's you, get paid when someone clicks through from the website to the partner site and buys something there. Some bloggers make a lot of money this way, particularly those who do affiliate marketing full-time. Read more about affiliate marketing and other ways bloggers can make money. If you're enjoying this video, please like it and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content by clicking the bell icon for notifications. Number 6. Sell your wares on Etsy. Have a penchant for woodworking, jewelry making, embroidery or pottery? Sell your crafts on Etsy, the go-to site for artisans selling home goods, art and knickknacks. According to Etsy, the company has 95 million active buyers, and grossed over $13 billion in merchandise sales in 2022. Number 7. Self-publish an ebook. Writing a good book is tough, but the internet makes it easy to bring it to market. If you're a writer who can churn out pages, you can use Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing to sell your books on the Kindle store. It's free to publish a book, and you can earn up to 70% of each sale in royalties. Write your book, enter a clear description and the details to be displayed and upload your manuscript. Set the price and see if it sells. Number 8. Get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Turn your cat videos into cash videos. If your YouTube videos or blog posts draw a big audience, you may be able to make money from advertising. YouTube sets 1,000 subscribers as the benchmark for applying for the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube partners then get access to monetizing features, including a share of ad revenue. You can also use Google's AdSense, the same ad platform on YouTube, to put relevant ads on your blog or website for earning potential. Number 9. Become an Instagram influencer. Companies are using Instagram influencers, people with large, dedicated followings on the platform, to represent their products. You can get in on the action by applying for opportunities via a marketing platform like Open Influence or Aspire, or by contacting the brands you want to work with. Number 10. Monetize your Twitch channel. Gaming could be a way to make money from home if you have a steady following on Twitch, the go-to site for gamers. Streamers can receive donations from viewers and even get a share of subscription and ad revenue if they reach affiliate or partner status. We've covered a wealth of information on earning money online today, and I hope you found these tips and strategies valuable in your journey toward online success. Well, I'd love to know which strategy resonates with you the most. So here's what I want you to do. Scroll down to the comments section and tell us the best online earning method that resonates you. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends who might benefit, and subscribing for more in-depth guides and insights on various online earning methods. Thank you for watching. See you all in our next video.